in Fontana. Here at RV Paint Department, we focus on the graphic part of the RVs. We do all the painting on the exterior part of the coaches. We have some of the best guys in the RV industry. I've created a hand-picked team that are the best to work on your RV. We do remove Hold on. Go ahead.
My name's John Begin. This is a Kodiak 4500 with a custom-made all-aluminum box, specifically designed for motocross racing. Holds 5 bikes. Holds water for pressure washer, all your tools, and 5 of your buddies can go ride at the same time. Raymond from the RV Paint Department did an excellent job on the paintwork here, and all I did was bring him something to get it close to this, and he came up with the final design, but I gave him a starting point. Other than that, they did a great job. Thanks a lot.